Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Dagispangut kinong tray ka service delivery staff jang ka National Health Mission Meghalaya. Hakasi baar ka santri unaitung arajar arpuar. Gilayat pa iba hanong ba silong na kabantaban dawai kibor penyat. Baki dewan pentamai biang ya ka notification of rationalization kabadang sudah penmi dangsyan kabakadaw ya ketulop kinong tray. Kinong tray jang ka National Health Mission kiblay lumlang hamadan malki silong nadu kapor shpau jemestep. Gilayat pa iba sa ka office jang Director of Health Services kabadan halai mkra silong ban late soy ka attendance. Hadian ka jingberngam jang Mission Director ka National Health Mission. Unong aiktian jang ka service delivery staff na East Garo Hills uba koridor lang lingdo. Habakran sila patay kubor ulaong bagi nong tray po ka National Health Mission iladawa nadu panay jiliw arajar arpar ya kibor penyat ban bishar benya ya ka notifications of rationalization namar baka kata ya ka jingsiw ban baka odru ya ka tulop ko jongki
ka baningkong ka penpau kung bangilayawan lang ni district ko macam penpau ningkong kani ka jing yakhi kano hati ar penta kani kasibo menta ka baningkong long apo ni hanong ba shalong kani apo pura di ka jing yami pa ka jongi kalong hang ni kadai na kani ka rationalization ka baniyong di kidon ki staff ki bahap ko jo kani ka kanhun so ta kalama jo ka service delivery mo jo ka Meghalaya di kidon ki staff ki ba hadin balale ya kani ka rationalization di kajing siu ka jongki kalahiarno di bat ba ngidon ru ka jingit ba kani ka rationalization ka balale kamshim don kata ka de harkom ka dai bat ka ba da bishar bania da kanu ka kanhun ki ngisukwa ban panjing syai ken kumngi ki ba tray lang ha kani ka por ka menta ba haba lale yak nu kanu ka kam kumbalakular da mission director Ahmad Jongi akan por ki baladap ke bangilaya kendo ya ong ba ni unpet benia bat bishar lingba ka qualification ke pengidon kidon hang ni ki doctors kidon hang ni ki staff nurse akan ka kanhun kidon ki ANM bat kumta terter tinrei klam da pet bhai ka qualification ka bangi ngidon ti lasule le se haklu karukom ka ba la bishar da kanu kanhun katakin ka mamla ban pau syai ta kadika pengilaya mi mata bukan ke forum ta kum mangilaya I mo ha kot kubor ka press release ka bawan ka office jo mission director ti kum bapila yo ngau hi hangne menta ka wai ka sor ba lada UMD ong ba unshim kino ki action ti menta ka sngi ngin ya sign hakmat DHS yaki attendance ki jongi bat ngin ya ai ang tehi ke nang ba UMD unyo I ya ka attendance ka jongi lada ni pep train na kanu kada ti ya ka ba kawai ka lenti ka bangin syem kali ka senjam ka syong ba katsami na ka jingi lang po turaru ka bangilay kando bat punya keren bat kiwi pat ki representative lalu penting kaduk mentang impat la ban ya batai nomor ba kandidat kanika radi na po tura le se ki representative ki banang tay ki laban ai kubor yang I bat nang niru le se kandidat kanika rally katan kanika jing ya syem lenti de ko pat ni se perkat kaduk menta te kalong BKI ke balami apres ni bot kata
Representation on behalf of MD Namar MD Rumdan Matanasi di Udon workshop ko Guwahati di ong yang along nada ke don ke representation bagi anak kalian jongpi dengan siapa ni saya I'm sure oh I like you brought any memorandum that was only submitted so kalian ko ka telong ngam dan ni bangan ong namar kata te decision kadai ke jong ban hak isong lang ba jong sa MD
from the NHM Kinwan explaining SPM SPM or anybody, let them talk to all of us, then let's see what happened.
Can we request madam by block atau sharp ini yang support
entah kasi kejaran khatba kadon ka workshop 2 days workshop in Guwahati di jong SPM eru kim dan sini yang berokok jepok pada kiran palat kan i GC ri misha em i as kangot kiran palat em sebetulnya mari just in kumno pada long violation of inner ila ah karar biji nei happen you
let them inside and please clarify in front of them what is there because
Mangata from my side I cannot clarify it is not on my side
madam just say a word madam that's
Just kalau let them inside departmental, let them inside departmental. Balik let them clarify from inside department.
Gitu
purposefully kiya jane kuno na madam
ya kata dengan macam Also, you kemudian ngar ke klaim court klaim dan ke meeting. Ngar ke klaim dan.
Ila long well away ni ke jeki jung at least someone should be here te. Kamar ba deh kin ya hon kin borok gitu nang niru. Otherwise dengan melak ban ya issue anything today kemud. Kini rally kan ya sia dengan kini be. Kata dia kata katanya. Keren.
Yang nak ke you that we have come for the rally but makan ni kasi come down ke.
Tapi kan effect show ban ya ke both sides niru effect.
Kan dia ambil kat ni kot dia dan. Ngin hap up you mission director amal mentasi umran po Guwahati dan ke workshop di undalawan unre mentasi at least mila sha ekip hindu just as a mark of to show that you have protested kata malong issue we have allowed you to come inside to show your mark of protest from my side. That is what I can say. I cannot comment on anything that has gone on about this rationalization because it is in the power of the governing body and the MD. So that is what I can say about today.
That's why can you get MD yang gimana? Kajenja kan, nalong nyim DA also. Ni habla na dong na di berit hadu behe. Mentah yang ajar report, mentah hingi haban ai ka report. Then in palable ruh 6M. By tomorrow only, then we are very difficult because we are working in the field. We have to collect from the ASHA. If some no ASHA, we have to go by themselves. It takes time to deal with the locality, with the community in the field. So we are not satisfied with this salary. So I request the MD to give what we are demand.
I, on behalf of all the staff nurse of NHM, I just would like to say that we, all the staff nurse, we are not satisfied with the salary that we have received by the third draft. Even the first draft, the second draft is the same, and we expect that the third draft it will increase, but still it is the same. So accordingly to the livings that we are living today, a standard living, and all the things have been increased, it is not satisfied. It is not according to the salary that we have received. So what we request to the MD, if he can increase a little bit, it should be according to our needs and according to our responsibilities and according to our workload which we work in the UPHCs, either the PHCs, either the CHCs, especially the staff nurse, all the nurses like A&M nurses, they have to conduct the delivery case. In case the doctors are not there, if anything happens, like any critical case or any situation happens, the nurses get the blame. So the doctors also have been increased. What about the nurses? So we request the MD, if he can increase the salary for the nurses also, it will be satisfied for us all. So with this, I request and I please the MD also, kindly look into us.